back, guys! Yes, that's right, we are back in Sant'Agata Bolognese and oh, I think we are ready to spot some interesting Lambos. Let's check it out. Oh, okay, a Revuelto in full electric mode, I think. Wait. Excuse me? Oh my god, what was that? Okay, I don't think we can count this one as the first Lambo of the day. Forget about it. But on the same subject, don't forget about this, because the sponsor of today's video, Gentlebands, is gonna sponsor a couple of these for you guys. Like, isn't that amazing? Yeah, I think it honestly is. But enough with the jewelry and let's focus on Lambos, at least for the time being. Ooh, okay, let's start with a nice V12. Yeah, in full electric mode. Oh my god, why? Oh, okay, we have a Urus getting back. Oh, nice, dark blue. Oh, very loud Urus getting back. Simple grey spec with the orange calipers. Let me guess, we could have another Urus. Oh, yeah, indeed. Beautiful spec on the Urus Performante. Oh, and this is the Revuelto from before. But the Urus, it's louder. Also, I think the military green Revuelto had the optional carbon fiber engine cover. Kinda interesting. What do we have? Oh, okay, a very dirty Urus. Come on, give me something interesting. Oh! Okay, that was, yeah, very interesting. I love this spec. Oh, okay, Verde Viper Urus Performante. Oh, finally a V10. What is it? Technica, I think. Yes, grey spec, black wheels and red calipers. Oh no, the white bus is blocking the view. I think we have a Lambo behind somehow. Oh my god, what a beautiful spec on the Revuelto. Guys, I love this one, except that it's driving so slow for some reason. Let's see, I think we could have a Urus, another one of course. Okay, yes, in fact, a white Performante. With the red calipers. Ok, a Sterrato, a matte black Sterrato. Now what do we have? Oh, beautiful color! Oh my god! Revuelto specs today! I love this one! I think we already know this one. Is that the green Urus Performante? I think it is, yeah. Guys, I know, nothing too crazy right now, but ladies and gentlemen, the ducks are back! And they are so beautiful! But do you know what is also extremely beautiful and cool? Yeah, that's right, my Gentlebands ring, and surprise, surprise, I have another one! Nah, just joking. The real surprise is that Gentlebands decided to sponsor another video, and this is for a very special reason. In fact, we want to thank you all guys for following me over the years. This is why today we'll be giving away 3 sets of rings to 3 lucky subscribers. Isn't that amazing? Come on, we already knew Gentlebands for their amazing accessories, and I've been wearing their rings for quite some time now. But in case you've been living under a rock, they focus on beautiful rings made with a wide selection of high quality materials. Titanium, tungsten, wood, meteorite, and also dinosaur fossil. Yeah, you just name it. These are my 2 favorite ones, but they have a huge selection of different designs. And don't forget that all of them come with free engraving, free return and lifetime warranty, yes! But okay, I'm getting way too excited. Now back to the giveaway. As I've already said, we'll be giving away 3 different sets of rings, and you can also decide which one you prefer. Everything you have to do to enter the competition is being subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment down below with GB for Gentlebands and the name of your favorite ring from their catalog. Oh guys, and don't forget to leave your Instagram handle or your email address so that I can easily contact you in case you win. The 3 winners will be announced in exactly 1 week starting from when this video goes live. So good luck everyone! And now back to our beloved Lambos. Yeah, that's definitely an hybrid one. Yeah. Told you, Urus SE. Come on, what is that sound? Guys, I think we have something, but it's in full electric mode. Oh no, the Temerario! Oh, wait! Okay, not a bad combo, check it out, the Temerario. Oh, wait, another one. Yes. We had the twin turbo V8, the hybrid V8 with the Temerario, and also the hybrid V12 with the Revuelto. Now, what a combo. Wow, beautiful color for this Urus here. Oh my god, what a startup! And what a beautiful spec! I really have to wait for this one to get back. Oh, very bright Urus SE, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, okay, I guess. Come on, come on. Another black Revuelto with yellow calipers and diamond cut wheels. Okay. And yet again in full electric mode. This is so sad. Okay, that's definitely the Sterrato. Nice downshift. Pretty simple but very mean spec. Oh, finally! I definitely recognize this spec. Yes, indeed, that's a beautiful spec for the Revuelto. Yes, okay. Beautiful spec with the golden wheels and the blue body. Oh my god. I like it. Ooh, Revuelto. Wow, it's the one with the beautiful spec. Wow, so good! I mean, loud is definitely loud, but I still prefer the old Urus, yeah. What's going on here? Interesting. Oh, with the black engine cover too. Oh, and with the startup. Okay, very dark green. Wow, beautiful one. Yeah, with the golden wheels too. Top spec for this Huracan Evo Spider. Yeah, that sounds like an Urus SE. Okay, I remember this one. Beautiful spec. I think it's called Verde Citrea. Yeah, not bad, but the question is, where is it going? Yeah, that's what I thought. Here it is. I think the driver got confused by the closed gate here. I mean, not the first time happening at all. Wow, beautiful shade of green under the sun. Yeah, I think this is definitely Verde Citrea, Verde Citrea, Verde Citrea. However you prefer. Wow, I love this kind of bold specs. Oh, wait, Urus? Okay, no. Let's focus on the Revuelto. Okay, and is there a black Performante? Gates are opening. Ooh, okay, beautiful purple one. Another Evo Spider, I guess. But wait, is it matte? It is. Oh my god. Such a beautiful spec. Love it. Ooh, I guess the white Revuelto is coming back. This is definitely a test mule, check it out. Kinda interesting. I'm now very curious about it. Oh, okay. Interesting spec on the Urus SE. Wow, with the orange logo also. Oh my god. Oh, wait. Okay. Evo Spider, I guess. Yes. Now take a closer look. Amazing spec on this one. Wow, 10 out of 10 for the Evo Spider. Yeah, definitely. Oh wait, is that the black Revuelto? Yes, it was. Ooh, okay, the red Urus bright red Urus SE. Yeah, kinda basic spec, but the interesting thing is that silver thing at the back. Oh my god. Now what could it be? I really don't know. But hey guys, with that said, oh, no, wait a moment. Oh, wow! How about this for a spec on the Revuelto? Also kinda dirty. Now, as I was saying, yeah, it was a pretty good day. What do you think? Now, a big thanks to the sponsor of this video, Gentlebands, and of course to you guys for following me in my Carspotting adventure each and every time I post a brand new video like this one. Again guys, thanks a lot for watching and see you in a few days.